Welcome back to the discussion panel on judicial deception regarding Hamilton County Superior Courts and the state of Indiana, Part 13. My name is Malika Clary, the founder of Judicial Deception. Last time we spoke, we were looking for a special judge from Marion County. Well, we did put a motion together and we sent that to Judge Rush. And Judicial Officer Judge Rush came back with, actually, it's not even on the docket yet of the lower court, the order from the Supreme Court, but I called there before and just had an attorney read me the order before it actually was out in public. And I found out, which is actually, if you go and look at the Supreme Court docket, you'll find the order. I'm not too happy that we got denied, but I'll tell you why we got denied. It says order denying appointment of special judge. And on December 14, 2016, Honorable William Judge recused himself from this case. On December 19, the respondent filed the pleading entitled Certification to its Indiana Supreme Court that circumstances warrant appointment of special judge pursuant to Trial 679H3 from Marion County. True that. That did happen. Upon the recusal of judge from a case, Indiana Trial Rule 79D gives the parties 7 days to agree on a special judge to hear the case. Remember I said that my ex-husband's attorney didn't want to agree with me. He wasted my time during his conference. So he knew if we didn't agree, they will appoint one anyway. Well, according to Judge Rush, she stated, where the parties do not agree on a special judge as provided in the Trial Rules 79D. The next step is under the Trial Rule 79H. The thing about this denial, I kind of like that she went step by step. She didn't just straight out deny it. Normally, they can do that, deny or grant. But I'm glad that she gave me step by step to let me know that, hey, I would like to intervene, but we can't and we have to follow protocol. So she said, the Hamilton County, which provides for the appointment of a special judge pursuant to local rules. The Hamilton County local rules provide for the appointment of a special judge by random selection from judges in Hamilton County. Should this process not result in a qualification of a special judge, then the local rule provides the selection of the special judge from judges within Hamilton County Judicial District, which that's when I was talking about trying to get one from Clifton, Boone, and whatever other county they were talking about, but all the ones that's closer. So Marion County wasn't even a selection. Therefore, should this process not result in a qualification of a special judge, then the judge of the court where the case is pending certifies the matter to the court for appointment of special judge. So basically, it said the provisions of the local rules have not been exhausted and the case has not been certified to the court by Judge Hughes. Further, there is no provisions in the Trial Rule 79 allowing a party to certify a case to this court for appointment of special judge. Which basically she's saying it doesn't say that, but you know what? I have to go by what she said, but it doesn't say that a litigant cannot ask the Supreme to get involved. It doesn't say a judge has to. I read that the local rule, but if that's what they said, that's what they're sticking with, and that's what I have to go by. So basically, we had to exhaust every remedy before we can get the Supreme involved. That's how it looks right now. So, by me saying that, well, they actually did have a random selection, and Judge Gail Burdock was selected. Now, she's selected from Hamilton County. I don't really know her, and I'm not sure. I can't badmouth somebody I don't know. I hear things about her, and negative or positive, but I never really had her. I know that when I first went for a protective order, she gave me my protective order, and it was quick process. I never was in front of her. I just went to the office, and she read my motion, and I got an order, when I needed a protective order back then. against my ex-husband for the physical abuse. So he was evicted around that time. That's all I know of her. But I don't know how she is, if she's fair. I'm not sure. I hear mixed stories. Some people say something else. Some people say nothing. So what I'm looking at this moment is that I have to give this person the benefit of the doubt. I'm not the one to badmouth somebody I didn't have yet. So I'm hoping that Judge Burdock will be fair. We have a change of venue on her docket, so she could just grant the change of venue, and we don't even have to really be in front of her. I'm not sure what she's going to do. We are asking for a change of venue. These are the things that's outstanding: change of venue, the motion to correct errors, a modification of parenting time, and a parenting coordinator and a guidance ad litem is filed. That was actually filed today. The parenting coordinator, a guidance ad litem, and a modification of parenting time was filed today. So I'm going to have to see what she does. I'm hoping a big turnaround. And you know what? I have to say, viewers, I'm not looking at that she's a female. I mean, don't get me wrong. I've had none but males. But, sometimes I look at it when it's justice involved. It should be about justice, the right thing to do. Not about the gender. Not about male or female who can do it right. I don't think so. But she is a female. Maybe she'll understand what I'm going through as a female. But then I can't say that she will. I'm not sure. I'm just hoping. So I have to leave you with that right now she didn't get the order from the Supreme Court. So the last statement that she left on the case summary was that she's waiting for basically, her appointment could change based on the Indian Supreme Court, but I already got that ruling. I mean, so maybe when she do her little research, she'll realize that the order already is there. But anyway, she did mention that that's the last thing. But hopefully she'll be honest and fair. Because so far the other judges that we had wasn't fair. Today was also a good turnout. My family, thanks family for supporting me and out there protesting. We were out there protesting in front of the Hamilton County, and I think that was great. My niece was out there. My daughter was out there. My brother was out there. Fiance was out there. We were out there supporting. My mom was out there. And it was just a great. And we had so much love from the people. So I have to say thank you again for supporting us. And please, I'm letting you know everything that's happening. So please stay tuned and keep watching and support it and share the message. And if you're interested in protesting, my phone number is 617-388-8637. My email is potpourri55@hotmail.com. Like I said, I can't badmouth anybody right now as it stands. We have Special Judge Gail Burdock as our special judge in courtroom 6. But I am still asking for change of venue. Thank you for watching me, and stay tuned, and I will let you know in the future what's going on. Thank you again.